Welcome once again. Let's talk about Solana coins within the next 3 years. Now remember, Solana, when it was launched, within the first 1 year and 7 months, I think 6 or 7 months, Solana was able to hit all the way from 50 cents to about $260. Now Solana today is trading at $21, right, with a market cap of about 8,654,000,000. Now Solana in 2026, yes, within the next 3 years to come, Solana has been marked as one of the coins that will definitely rise if Bitcoin is able to hit over $100,000 price this year or next year. Now Solana is expected to trade between $150 to $220 dollars. Though I know this trading price of Solana within the next 3 years is not even up to Solana all-time price. The coin is trading at $21 at the time of record days. So in 3 years, in the next 3 years, we are talking about before the end of 2026, Solana. Now, all these things comes on the based on how popular they are, based on the market cap, based on the trading volume, based on their position in crypto industry, now based on the project and based on the partnership they have with different crypto companies. Then you know that yes, Solana in the next 3 years, and if crypto industry, that is majorly Bitcoin, majorly Ethereum, if these coins keep increasing in price, Solana is expected to massively increase. Solana is expected to hit between $150 to $220 price within the next few years. But I quote, they can still go beyond that price. They can even hit $500. It all depends, but I know they can reach that amount if they can focus on burning some of the coins, focus on burning some millions of coins of Solana. Then in 2026, within the next 3 years, within the next 36 months to come, Solana is expected to hit between $150 price to $220 price. Yes, it still remains one of the best coin, and a lot of people make a lot of money with Solana. Imagine buying Solana when it was trading at $1, one coin $1. Imagine investing $100 on Solana. You just say $100, buying about 100 coins of Solana. And when this coin was trading at $260, you know what that means. 10 coins of Solana with this about $2,600. And then you talk about 100 coins. You are talking about almost $26,000 price. That is, people earn a lot of money. People really make money with Solana. $26,100. So I know some people who actually withdraw $10,000. Some people withdraw $15,000. Those who bought it earlier. So Solana is one of the coins that already created, put smiles on people's faces, and a lot of people are happy with the coin. That is why you see the coin still maintain the top 10. Top 10 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Yes, the market cap has really dropped. People still believe that this coin have done in the past. Generally, cryptocurrencies are down. So from $21 it is right now, they believe it's going to rise back to that $260 or even above. So that's why some people still keep on investing, keep on buying Solana coins. But remember, if you want to buy what you can afford to lose. So in 2026, in the next 3 years, in the next 36 months, Solana is one of the coins that is expected to pump, expected to rise. Please kindly turn on the notification button, subscribe to our channel in order not to miss our next videos.